Hi friends, let me show you these new plastic expanding file folders. These are really nice. They come in a package. This is a 3 folders pack and each of them come packed individually, okay? Let me open one of them. They are, really protected with this kind of packaging. And when you use them, they really expand a lot, almost 2 inches, okay? You have a small note here so you can write what you have inside of your file folder. And let me show you, you can fit even folders within the file folder, okay? So this is a letter size folder with a lot of pages here. You could even fit here a pen, a pencil, maybe some books. They have this button closure, snap button closure that makes them really convenient. And you will have your documents protected. It's plastic, so if for any reason there's some light rain or if you spill some beverage, your documents will be protected. They are transparent or translucent, so you can see what's inside, and you also can write down in this note your general contents of your folder, okay? So they are really expandable. You can fit a lot of documents in them, books or some other printed material, even up to an A4 size. And you get packages with 3, 5 or more units, okay? So if you need folders for your school course or your work in your office, if you work a lot on the go in your car, or you walk a lot with your documents, these plastic expandable file folders are a nice option to protect your information and your documents. Thank you so much.